So I've put my hair in twists. Now, see, this is what the devil wants. Now it doesn't look that bad. It's like, yeah, I can make it work. No. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, listen, this, all this, I'm gonna cut it off. And before any of you say,
so why are you cutting your hair like it's long?
I don't care if it's long. You see these, all these flyaways and breakage that I've experienced. The back is like, let's see if I can zoom in. Back hairs like don't grow like as far as I would get because it never catches up with this hair. And no matter how many times I trim these parts and like, oh yeah, it'll grow out, it never catches up, and it goes throughout the rest of my head as well. Like every time, you know when you have a particular style and you always use that same part and you brush it down. I had a lot of middle parts, side parts, like even there, don't watch that, I'm gonna wash my hair after this, but like the, what's it called, temples, like it's thinned out because protective styling. And I've never had like, I don't have thick for like 4A, B, C hair anyway. It's fine, but it's not even as well. And then obviously you get like the ends are just, they need help in it, so I'm gonna help that situation today. So if you want to see me basically prune my entire life, then just keep on watching. So I'm actually gonna use, the method I'm trying to use to cut my hair is, I'm gonna use these, the light's very bright, I'm gonna use these coloured elastic bands. I figured it would be easier to see my hair when I put them in elastic bands. So it's even, I'm going to put elastic bands all over my head and then hold it taut and then just cut. When you cut your hair, you need to use hair scissors, and it's important that it's hair scissors because all these men that say just use any scissors, they're chatting rubbish here, because if the scissors are not sharp and you cut your hair, you'll cause more split ends in the long run. I actually have two pairs because I need to figure out which one is sharper. I'm pretty sure it's this one, but I've got a backup just in case. You're also gonna need a detangling brush. I'm gonna go get my brush. There's a bit of hair in it because I just like recently did my hair, but you're gonna need your tangle teaser. This features in my wash day video. I think it will help me get a cleaner cut when my hair's detangled. Initially I'm going to use just a regular wide tooth comb to sort that out, so I'm gonna do that and then I'll be right back. I'll just give you guys an examination of my hair. So basically it's just hella uneven, like this is it combed out, and so you've got the middle, like this always grows faster than the rest, and the texture's completely different to say on the sides like here, but you can see like the consistency just isn't the same, and you can see through it, like from here, like all there, it's just not consistent in length. So you've got like, okay, this part, come in the frame, it's like to there, then say like come to my temple and it's like, it's just not consistent at all. And I've been wanting to cut my hair for, I'd say, quite a few years now, because I just, like, I've been trying to work on getting it thicker and more even, and me trying to hold on to like the longer parts just because it's longer, rather than focusing on health. During quarantine, I'm like, it's making me evaluate why I do things, and I don't really want to be holding on to stuff that is just unnecessary. So people might think I'm being too extra or deep, but for me it's spiritual as well. Like I'm just cutting off everything that's dead, that don't need to be here, like it's gone. And so for me, my dry hair is one of them. So let's give it a last look. It's the last, I've got a mirror down here, it's the last time I'm gonna have this hair on my head. I know, and hair grows back. God made our hair to grow back, and especially while we taking vitamins and stuff, I believe it's gonna grow back. But yeah, this is that. So now I'm actually gonna put it into elastics.
Work.
No, it wasn't recorded.
I know. So it continues.
So I've put my hair in twist. Now, see, this is what the devil wants. Now it doesn't look that bad. It's like, yeah, I can make it work. No, I'm not going to forsake all the other ratty twists here at the back for the sake of a few. Sometimes you just have to bite the bullet and do something. It feels like it hurts, but it doesn't. It's for the greater good. So the goal is to grow it back out to this length and longer, but you like, it's thick and then it just tapers off into nothing.
You've said this a million times. They get it. Just cut your hair.
I'm not even cutting that up because you're so rude. Who even told you to speak?
The Holy Ghost.
Take your Holy Ghost self on that here.
No.
But yeah, so Chanel, do you want to cut the first piece?
No, you cut the first piece.
I'm gonna, can you imagine? I'm gonna put my hair out the way just so I can see. Just having a roof downstairs.
Yeah,
Alright, so first piece. Any last words?
no way. You are not cutting it that short.
Do you not see where the damage is?
No.
Where did you think I was gonna cut it? There.
Yeah.
Why would I cut it there?
Because that means your hair's still short.
Yeah, but when I get to the top, it won't be.
I mean, okay, it's your hair. No, I'm not joking. Cut it how you're gonna cut it. It's fine. It's your hair.
Like, look, for me.
Oh, the elastic broke.
Yeah.
It's not my hair. Bye, Rihanna's hair.
Bye, hair.
I got it sweatband.
Yeah, feels good already.
Alright.
Okay. Next.
I'm definitely not cutting the back for you.
But I can't see.
Okay. Here.
Can you measure the? Wait, where does it stop? Wait, hold on. See if I can see. There.
Here, Rihanna.
There.
Where my thumb is. It feels so soft. What the heck?
But if you hold it up to the light, you can see all the brown. Like, it's not even. Yeah, it's gone. this. This I'll actually cut that.
No.
So not even that. I don't even think it's short enough.
Cut your hair.
Oh, that doll.
Yeah.
Right, let's sue for your doll.
Jeez.
Okay.
What's the camera? We saying?
Oh my days. I'm not
Right.
going in the camera.
You know how
see
to
my
hold hair
hands.
scissors. Okay.
Can his hands even fit me?
Up to where my fingers is. You can cut
Why
it
is
off.
it so prestige, man?
Yes. Up to where my fingers is. You can cut it off.
To where your fingers are, yeah?
Yeah. Why are you doing
Why are you doing that paper?
Yeah, because I don't want to.
That's what I've been doing.
It's fun.
Yeah. That was
That's
it.
it.
Scrum.
This sick, Jennifer. Hi guys.
Nah, it's my sister's turn.
My honey here.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah. Goodbye, Ramsey.
Hmm? Really up with this?
Alright,
Cut the back way shorter.
I'm gonna, yeah, that's how I wanted it. I'm gonna take the elastics out and I'll be back. This is it, guys. It's my hair, my new hair. Look at it. Nah, it feels so good. And I can see having a puff, like it will actually be a consistent, like, length. Obviously, when I wet it, I'll see if it's like even. But for now, man's gassed. Let's see if I can do a, like, not, or like a 360. Well, not gonna be a 360, is it? But right, or just like a 270. Like a 180. Gonna turn to this side as well. But yeah, I'm gonna wet it, and then I'll wet it, wash it because it's crusty. But I'm gonna wash it. And then when I come back, I'll see if there's any like long parts that need to be like cut evenly. Then I'll just let you see later. So we're back, washed, and I tried to like even it out as best as I could. But you know when you comb your hair out, because my hair shrinks, the shrinkage is at like 200. You pull it out and then like it starts to thing, so I'm just gonna have to do like a Black Panther situation and pat it. But yeah, this is me. This is how short my hair is, and it feels so much better. Like I feel free. So before it gets crusty, I'm gonna style it. But here is everything that I cut off, basically. Like it doesn't look like a lot, but like okay, I guess I'll have like a this is like what I cut off. It's got like elastics in it, but yeah, basically this is the length. There's about, I reckon that's like 4 inches, 4 or 5 inches all around, and I'm still left with like at least 2 inches of hair. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for next week's video to see how I style this fro. I'm probably gonna do a twist out or wash and go. I haven't decided yet, but yeah, make sure you stay tuned for that. If you don't want to miss when I upload it, turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to like, how do I do it again? Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.